Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To set the borders of an element, you need to use the border-style property. You must use the border-style property before trying to control the size and color of your borders. The values for the border style are solid, double, groove, ridge, inset, outset, dotted, or dashed. You can control the size of your border using the border-width property. You can assign the border width properties the value of thin, medium, or thick, or can be expressed in pixels, points, centimeters, millimeters, inches, picas, x height, or m. You can control the color of your borders using the border-color property. The border color values are expressed using the color name, a hexadecimal value, or transparent, which creates an invisible border. As with the margins and padding properties, you can control the style of border on individual sides using the properties border-top-style, border-right-style, border-bottom-style, or border-left-style. The on-screen example shows styling for paragraph with class 1, a margin set to 10 pixels, padding set to 10 pixels, the border top style of dotted, the border right style solid, the border bottom style as dotted, the border left style of solid, border width set at 5 pixels, and the border color set to black, which will cause your web browser to display solid borders on the left and right hand side and a dotted border on the top and bottom.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.